Hello my beautiful sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today tutorial will be on this simple gele. So I'm very sorry that my voice is like this. I've been down for a while now. It's not about I'll soon gist you sisters very soon. I'll soon update you about what is going on in my life. But I'm so sorry that I've not been uploading all this while about Gele. It's just that I've not been having that strength very well to be tying Gele. So that is why I hope you sisters understand with me. And please always put me in your prayers. So today's tutorial is just something simple. I just want to talk to you sisters on how things are going on with me and the reason why I've not been uploading. So let me just leave you sisters to enjoying the video. But for the ratio for the gele is 50-50 ratio. 50-50 ratio. So I created like 5 pleats at the front. So I'll bring back the both hand back to the front now. So at the down there, I'm using office pen to secure it so that it will not remove. So I'll be creating pleats now. Look at me sweating. So I'm still creating pleats. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also please follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. Glambeauty30. I really appreciate that. Please follow me. Help me grow my Instagram page also. So I'm extending the hand now. So I create round there now. So I'm extending the hand. So I'll be bringing back the other 50 now on top of it. I'll start creating pleats also. So I'll soon start creating like fan there now. I'm creating fan. God, look at the way I'm sweating. It is well. So this gele is very easy, sisters. I know some of you will even know how to tie the gele. It's not hard. I just decided let me just redo this video, redo this tutorial for you sisters, because like 2 people request for the gele on Instagram. So I said okay, let me do it. So this is it. I'm using pin to pin it down. So sister, I'm very sorry. Very sorry. It is well. So this is it about the gele, sisters. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video with your loved ones. And I will talk to you in my next video. And please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30. Glambeauty30. So this is the finished look of the gele. Alright sis. Bye.